Separation anxiety, people will notice such things as they've been out and basically you might notice your dog has perhaps scratched near the front door, perhaps gone to the toilet near the front door. Many people will find that the dog's chewed on pillowcases or on their bedding. I mean, there are some hidden things. In many cases, you might not realise that it's been going on until your neighbour actually tells you that your dog's barking the minute you leave. And typically the barking's most intense for the first 20 minutes after departure. And it also makes them, there's a lot of guilt that they actually start to feel guilty to leave the house. So it can really destroy the pet animal bond because the owner is feeling stressed all the time and a bit resentful to the dog instead of just focusing on the good aspects of the relationship. Certainly certain breeds are more prone to anxiety. We see that Staffordshire Bull Terriers are very effective. Anything that's small and cute and fluffy, so that means Maltese, Shih Tzu, Poodles and Poodle crosses, they're overrepresented in separation anxiety cases. Pet ownership has really many benefits for owners, and we think it's important that having a pet is of benefit to the owner's welfare as well as to the pet's welfare. So basically we're very careful. We want to exclude any medical causes. So we do a full physical examination, we do full blood tests just to make sure there's not an underlying medical condition. For example, you may have a pet who's arthritic and is actually vocalising due to pain. You may have an animal who's diabetic, and that's why when you're not at home they can't not wee inside. So we want to make sure there's no medical cause first, and then we can go through the behavioural aspects and actually work out, is this a case of separation anxiety? And if so, then we have the resources and knowledge to be able to go through behaviour strategies as well as perhaps discuss some medications as well. I think the important thing to understand is that anxiety is actually a genuine medical condition, and that's why the input of a vet who's trained in medicine of pets is often necessary to resolve it completely.